Okay, so go to test, then type what ZEALTECH, uh, no, computer institute, right? So now let me type out what I want to type so I can now break it down and begin to fix them. See you understand now? So ZEALTECH Computer Institute, then 20 Yegunwa Street, Ladipo, sorry, yeah, Estate, Shogunle, Oshodi, 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 Lagos. Okay, telephone 080 860850 081 Okay, that's it. ID badge. Then students, student name, department, course, date, date issued, expiry date. All right, now I'm done. Okay, sorry. I just want to type everything once, eh? So it won't be that I'll just be saying this. So that is the best way to do to work anyway. Signature. So Control 2 to reduce it. Control 2, Control 2, Control 2, Control 2, Control 2, Control 2, Control 2. All right, probably it's too. So let me go to the page. Okay, Control 2, reduce. Or I can just click and drag or show you some. This one has to do with the speed of the system. So if your system is very fast, you may not have to delay like this. But because there's a lot of load on this one. So what do? I'll break it apart. Control K to break apart, right? Then I'll select this one that I need. I'll just come and fix it here. Then I'll say C to align center. Are you aware of that? To align center is C. Then increase the size. Increase the size. Give it color white. So change the font name. I'm changing it to a watcher or either black, whichever one you want to change it to. So now this one will be more bigger and be stretched. It will be bigger. And if you want to make it one straight line, you're still good to go. Sure, and instead of a double line like this, you're still good to go. You want to make it one straight line. Then this one's C to align the center. Now bring it down here. Then I give it color white. Sure, sir. Now, because of space, I would like to make it one straight line. Okay. Because of space, so let me move it down here. Let me move it down here. Here. So let me change the size. Okay. So can now reduce this size. See, you understand my point? So because of the width here, so that's why I have to do it that way. So I bring it this way. Then this one, I will say Control A, Control X, and I move it to join this one.
Control X abi
X. So Control X, cut it away. See what's on now. So Control V. So this one, see, I move it. So let me adjust it more. I'll go this one. This one too. I'll go it. It. I think I'm good to go. So let me align the center. See, everything is centralized. So I still prefer it this way, right? Than the other one. See, okay. So now come and draw a rectangle. Yeah. Draw a rectangle. Then you know what I want to do? Let me change this design. I want to remove this background here. Is that, and I can use the background all alone. See your understand? I can just use the background wholly. But I don't want to. Let me use the other background. Let me delete this background. I delete this background. Then this one I said it should be at the page. Then let me go and remove it from transparency. So I say no transparency. So now it's more deeper, right? It's more deeper so that it can come out clear. So I give this one color yellow. So I can go to shape tool and use shape tool to convert it to rounded corner. I click and drag so to form round corner. Can you see that? So I did not convert it to, because if you convert it, it will not change to round corner. Okay. So now I bring the plastic ID card inside. So I can change the font name. It's at the back. Do you know why? Because I typed it first before the rectangle. So let me bring it to front. So page up. Then I can choose this color also. I mean this font name. Then I bring it like this. Just do this way. Bring it this way. And I give that one color red. So now let me select everything and say center C. Okay. Now bring this one down here. Okay, let me undo. I have to select it this way. The signature will be different. Let me just group it so that it will not misbehave. Control G. And I bring it down here. Then I increase it. And I give it color white. So I'll give it color yellow. Color yellow will be fine. Okay, so now let me adjust it down. Okay, let me first of all bold it and italicize it. Control U to ungroup so that I can have my bold and italics. Okay. So you know what I will do? I will now give it space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just adjust it to space as I want. So I'm trying to adjust it so that it can be equal. I think it's okay, Abi. Okay, I'll have it that way. So now draw a rectangle. Draw it here like this. So you can give it any shape or any. I want to shape here and I want to shape here. So all I will do, or I can shape here. Shape here. So I will come and open the rounded corner shape. I'll open the rounded corner shape. So I open it here. Then I type here maybe 20. Okay, you see that place, 20 is too much then. So maybe I would just type 2. So in 2 or 3 is too much. So let's just say 0.5. Just now. In that case, I can just say 0.2. Okay. Then I come to this place. Because I open the key, no, if not, everything is supposed to. So you see that now. So I come to. I can also use shape to do it. But one thing is that if you use shape to do it, it will affect other place. Let's say I leave it that way. So select it, give it color white. Then the line, you may remove the line because it's having black line. Sorry, undo. I have removed the line. Then go and draw a rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle. So let me bring it down a bit. Then give it deep navy blue. Then say no line. So you have it that way. So this one, switch it up. Sheet page up. You have it that way. Then signature, bring it down here. Sheet page up. Come on. Sheet page up. Say white. You see that now? So let me save the video and come back.